Hi, good day. My name is Shreya from Payroll Professional, and for today's video, I will show you how to create two methods of calculations. One, utilizing hourly input, and two, utilizing the linking functionality. Step 1. Ensure that the relevant line has been defined on the system. To do this, we go to Payroll, Definitions, and Earning Definitions, for example. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to click on Change Mode in order to populate the next available row. Once you've populated your line and you need to associate a method to that line, from your routing block, type in MOC and enter. Once you have arrived at the methods of calculation screen, select Add, select the relevant earning line, and type in 1 as it's the first method of calculation, then give it a short description. As we all know, overtime is calculated as hours worked times the overtime rate times the rate per hour. So how do we find the codes on the system? Well, if I put a question mark and click on enter, here I'm given a list of all the codes I could utilize for my method. Rate per hour is one essential component for our method. So I'm going to use RT as the code suggested. Enter. I'm going to select multiply. What you'll notice is on this part, if I had to just put in 1.5, the system will not accept that value. I'd have to type in VAL to let the system know that it is in fact a value that I'm trying to define on my method. The HG screen gives us the ability to process units on the payslip screen. As it is an hourly calculation, all of these overtime values, either month or year to date, will be stored under the hours screen linked to this line. I'm going to use the last employee. If I had to double click on his amount column, here is the description that I just set up, so I know it's the right method that I'm looking for. And I'm going to say 1 hour of overtime worked at 1.5. How do we double check this? If I go to his increase screen by typing INC in the routing block, here I know his rate per hour is 56 Rand 82 cents. So if I take this 56 Rand 82 cents, multiply it by 1.5, it gives me 85 Rand 23. Obviously multiplied by 1 will give me 85 Rand 23 cents in any event, which is exactly what we got. So we know that our overtime line was set up correctly. Now if I want to link this employee to a method that's already defined on the system, I will type in MC in the routing block and enter. Say for example it was Provident Fund. If I double click MC, I get to pick the relevant method associated to this employee. So for demonstrative purposes, I will select the first and close. If we go to his deductions, you will see there's a Provident Fund value now on his fixed column. And if I go to company contributions, the same scenario on the fixed column. Let me know if you have any questions about methods of calculations, or if there are any methods in particular that you are struggling to define into the system. Please drop them in the comment box below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful content, and happy payroll processing.